小龙、熊大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。今天我们就去捉鸡了，
小鸡们，你们可要小心了！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快，演出开始啦！快点！
Whoa! Whoa! Earthquake, man!
Hey Slim, what's wrong with the barn today? I don't like what I'm seeing.
Don't you have any guts? We're fulfilling the wishes of our forefathers, every one of them, by carrying out our mission to catch chickens.
That's right.
Wait, inner peace, man, inner peace.
Get in there! I finally got it! Ooh. I need to focus. Ow! Oh, Uncle Wattles, stop it!
Whoa, what's the deal, man? Whoa, so it's you, Master Wattles. Like, your reserves of chi energy are really impressive, man.
Huh, what's so great about giant, humongous hiccups? They're disgusting.
Huh? Whoa, Fry Baby. Kinda looks like dude could really use some help.
I can't concentrate on my games. I've got to figure out some way of stopping his hiccups. It is quieter.
Better than a minute ago, man.
Well, I've got other things to do.
Cool. Right behind you, Dudette.
Huh? Look at him, he's a mess. How useless. Come on, let's get him. Earthquake!
Whoa, Fry. Doesn't look like it's doing any good at all, man.
Rest assured, Free Range, I've got a backup plan.
Whoa, lay it on me, man.
I call it Scared Straight.
Is he even a chicken? I doubt it. His hiccups are as loud as an elephant's.
Right.
Huh?
Like, what?
Is he for real?
Do you believe in ghosts? I sure don't. Something smells fishy.
Yeah.
You said yeah, but back there you were shaking like a chihuahua. My guess is the ghosts are probably small fry and free range. They're trying to frighten us away from getting at them. That's a very naive notion.
Now, where is it?
Frybaby, what are you looking for, man?
I found it! Check this out. It's my super gong. The sound of it is 100 times louder than ordinary ones. This has got to work. This will stop his hiccups. Put these on. Are you ready? Huh? No way! I don't believe I can't believe this stupid gong doesn't work! This here is a fix-a-lot bomb. It's so powerful, it could treat Uncle Wattles 5 times over. So, I'm confident only one will be needed to get rid of Uncle Wattles' hiccups. If it doesn't, I'll eat weasels.
Whoa!
Free range, bring him here.
Right, here I come! Huh? Where's the bomb?
We got it! We got the chicken! That's not a chicken! Oh, that was a really nice sleep.
I'm all out of ideas. I'm leaving the rest up to you, Free Range.
Not good. I gotta think of a way to cure this guy for good. Whoa, pretty nasty looking surface, dude. But take heart, man. Got you covered, dude.
Injecting chickens with water? That's just bad business.
Whoa, Teach! Teach, dude, you okay? Never fear, man. I'm gonna cure your hiccups if it kills us. All right, I need you to chill, dude. I'm gonna hypnotize you, and I'm gonna fix you right up.
Huh? Looks like that kung fu geek is busy putting Wattles in a trance.
You're getting sleepy. Sleepy. Your thunderously grotesque hiccups are totally a thing of the past, dude. Sleepy. Dude, Sleepy, man. Sleepy, work with me, alright? Mondo Mysterioso. This is like totally my toughest case yet.
Destroy weasels!
Weasels are
Destroy
evil.
weasels!
Must destroy weasels.
Destroy!
Must destroy.
Master! I finally found a way to stop your hiccups, man! Check it out, dude! Hey, I got the answer! Observe the old Avian Nerve Attack, dude! What do you say?
Avian Nerve Attack? I don't know about that one.
Relax, dude. We'll just ratchet it down a couple of notches for safety's sake, okay? Let us begin, Teach. My work is done.
Oh, free range! That's no better than a Chinese water torture!
I must have hit the waterworks by mistake, dude. A lesser disciple would be discouraged, but not the Rangemeister. Bet you feel like $1,000,000 now, dude. Huh? Guess I really need to work on my avian nerve attack.
What happened to Wattles? Looks like he's been infected with something not healthy. Let's get free range instead. Hehehe. Shamaho!
Hey! Master! Master! Despicable! Who dares to mess with the Great One? You pathetic polecats!
How are you calling pathetic? You're the one who's pathetic, Mr. Pathetic! Ah! Ah!
Behold the flame inside!
Well, look at the bright side, Glutton. There's always next time. Oh.
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party， 深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着云朵在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起胸，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚